Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mix. In this video, I will let you know how to install Revtex4 in Miktex if it is not installed on your system. Okay, here I have written a very simple document and I have added document class Revtex4-2. This is the package that I want to install, Revtex. And then I have added a package for writing mathematics. I have started document and in document, and just for references put an equation and a little text over here. If Revtex4 is not installed on your system and you run this and you run the file, the Miktex console will activate a message for you to install Revtex4. For example, if I run this program, and here is this message comes from Miktex console and it tells me this required file could not be found, Revtex4.2 CLS, so it is not installed. Now I need to install this. The first thing you can do there is to click on the install button, but if it is not installed, you need to click on change. And once you click on change, don't change anything over here, just click on next. And clicking on next will give you these different repositories. These server in fact have Miktex package repositories, and you can choose from there is a long list of repositories on different servers, so you can choose one very near to you or you can choose anyone. However, if one is not capable to install the Miktex package for you, then you need to go to another one. You can repeat this process until the server which contains Revtex4 is hit. Just for a check, I just want to click Finland. And then I finish. I have selected Finland, this repository, this server for the repository. And then I click Finish. And after choosing that server for Revtex4.2, I click Install. Okay, the Windows asks me to allow Miktex package, so I click Yes. And now the Miktex console is installing Revtex4 if it is available on the server which I have selected. Text case STY, it needs this one package, so I will again click on it. This is in fact a sub package in Revtex4. NetBeep, another package needed for running Revtex4, so I again click install. And great, now Revtex4.2 along with the necessary packages has been installed, and if I come over here, it has produced the document, this single equation, and this is the little text that I have added in the file. So this way you can install Revtex4 on your system if you don't have it. Thanks for watching.